We cleanse the eyebrows with foam. This removes sebum and impurities so that the pigment applies evenly. We mix Oxygen G2 dye and oxidant in a 1:1 ratio. If you need to make the shade lighter, add a diluter. It gently reduces the intensity without changing the undertone. It's important to achieve a smooth, lump-free consistency so the color goes on evenly. Apply the mixture with an angled brush. First, outline the shape for a defined contour, then fill in the inner part, moving in the direction of hair growth. Try not to layer the product too thickly. Oxygen G2 provides a rich color even with a thin layer. The processing time is usually 7 to 10 minutes. After just 5 minutes, you can gently remove the excess product with a cotton swab. This helps control the intensity and avoid an overly dark result. Do not overexpose. The pigment continues to work even after removal. Remove the product with damp cotton pads. Do not rub hard. Gentle blotting is enough. Here is the result. The color is even, without spots, and the shape is well defined. Immediately after the procedure, avoid contact with water and oils. This will help the color set.